This is the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and enable the VPN/proxy connection on this device. So first of all, we'll need to download the app. To do that, so open up the Google Play Store, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi. The app that we will use is called Turbo VPN. So let's go ahead and install the application real quick. Now we can open it, tap on the agree and continue button, wait until the app gets loaded, skip the ad, and in order to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, click on this caret icon over here, and once the little key icon appears at the status bar, that means that you are now browsing the web with the enabled VPN connection. If you would like to change the server, just tap over here and choose what server you would like to go for. It will reconnect you to the chosen server. And finally, if you would like to turn the VPN connection off, tap on this little cross sign over here, disconnect. And as you can see by the fact that this little key icon has disappeared from the status bar, we have successfully disconnected ourselves from VPN, or turned off the VPN/proxy connection. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.